The defense lawyer comes to me and says, listen, I have authority to settle this for $3 million, but I need to save something off the policy. What does that mean? You want to know what it means? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The defense attorney needs permission, needs authority from his insurance company in order to go ahead and make an offer to settle the case. So now the defense attorney comes to me and says, listen, I have authority to settle this case for $3 million. That's what I wanted to settle this case. But he says, listen, I need to save something off the policy. So what does that really mean? It means he wants to look like a hero to the insurance company. He wants to show them that he beat me up. He wants to show them that he's a tough negotiator. That even though we wanted and were willing to take $3 million, and even though he had $3 million, he was still able to whittle it down to get something less than $3 million. Regardless of what that number is, whether it's $2.99 million, $2.95 million, $2.9 million. If he's able to save some money off of that settlement, guess what? He looks like an absolute hero to the insurance company. Because even though they gave him authority and permission to settle this case for $3 million, if he's come back saying, listen, I beat up Oginski, I got him to come down, and now he took only this amount of money. Now the defense attorney looks great, which means that he's likely going to get more cases from the insurance company because now they'll trust him even more, and they're willing, and they'll be more willing to give him authority and permission to settle, knowing that he's going to do everything possible to try and save them some money. Whether it's $50,000, whether it's $10, whether it's $500,000. The key is, when the defense attorney comes in and says, listen, I need to save some money off the policy. Now, from my viewpoint, the question is, can I do it? There are three things I have to answer in my own mind before I can answer the attorney. Number one, do I trust him? Number two, is he trustworthy? Number three, is this someone I've worked with before who's telling it to me straight? Or is he just pulling my leg? Does this happen here in New York? Absolutely. Does it happen often? More often than you think. Does it get cases resolved and settled? Yes, it does. Does it mean you might lose out $50,000 or $10,000 or $500? The answer is it might. But then again, it might not. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during the settlement negotiation process in a medical malpractice case, in an accident case, or even in a wrongful death case here in New York. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, it's something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.